Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back. What's up? It's me, Angie Off. In today's video, we are reviewing a wig from Kriyya Hair. It is a 13 by 4 lace front wig. It is, I believe, 12 inches. So this is how the wig came. I didn't put no products on the hair. I ended up putting powder on the lace because these laces becoming gray, becoming light. It don't becoming our shade, so we gotta make it our shade. The powder that I used was just a dark brown from a Juvia's Place palette. So I'm just gonna cut around the ears. It still wasn't enough room for my ear, but I don't really wear my wigs for too long. I wear them for like 2 days. So if it's a little uncomfortable, that's okay with me. So I wanted to try something different, so I went to the beauty supply store and I got olive oil, argan oil, vitamin frizz, and it says glaze and hold. So I thought it was gonna hold my edges and everything, but it didn't. Like it smelled like watery, like it was not glue. So I just put that. I didn't feel like wiping it off, and I put the Ghost Bond on top of it. At the end of the day, my wig still laid down, so but yeah, I went through the comments of the video when I asked you guys what's other good glues that don't mess with your edges and everything, and you guys commented some glues, and I'm gonna look through them and I'm gonna see, because I don't know, I'm tired of this. I wish like it was clear already, so I could just put the wig down without it having to dry. Like I'm just very impatient. So once it turns clear, you're just gonna go ahead and pull your wig down. I just want to show you guys that I've been putting my wig on my forehead because I really want to protect my edges. Like it took a minute for me to get them back, so I'm gonna make sure that they stay here. So I be putting my wigs on my forehead to protect my edges. I admit it, and I don't care because edges is what's up. So one thing about this install, it looks very natural. I don't know if it's the powder. Yeah, it is the powder that I put on the lace. Always make sure that you drown your lace in the powder that's your shade because you can't go wrong when you do that. So I'm just going to tie it down just so that I know it's secured since I use that glaze and hold. Another thing that I have to buy is very extremely tiny scissors because I mean, there's nothing wrong with the big scissors, but I just want to be a little bit more careful, and I want to make sure that I get all the lace off and not have to go back in. So I'm gonna see if I can get some scissors too. But this toffee tease right here, I mentioned it in my other video. This right here be saving my life. Be making the laces look like it's mine. Go and get that. Anything that's your shade, like no matter what it is, like it's going to work for your wigs. So after I form my part, I'm just going to section out my baby hair so that it's already sectioned out and I can push all the other hair to the back. So now I'm just using my wax stick and I'm just pushing all the hair to the back so that when it's time for me to lay my baby hairs, there's no hair in the way. Now you're just going to get your hot comb and just push all the hair to the back. Once all the hair is pushed to the back, you're going to conceal your part just so that the hair looks a little bit more neater. Like I love doing this with the concealer and everything. So now I'm just going to cut my baby hairs and we're just going to lay them. Once your baby hairs is to your liking, you're going to tie it down, and now we're going to work on the actual bob. I had to cut the bob off camera. It wasn't too much cutting, you know, nothing too crazy. I had to do that off camera because I couldn't get the back, so I had to have my sister cut the back for me. But right here, I'm just going to bump all the way around so that we have a finished look, like, you know, we have a bob. Another thing I wanted to say about this unit, I didn't put no product in the hair. I only put this right here. It's like a wig control spray. It just tames frizz and all that, but that's all I put in the hair. This is a very natural unit, natural bob, natural everything, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed everything. And this is how it looks with my makeup done. Another video will be up with this beat. Just look out for that. But thank you so much to KriyyaHair for sending me this beautiful unit. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.